Hello everyone and welcome to London Gold. In today's video lesson we are going to go through how to factorise quadratics, where the coefficient before x squared is 1. So usually it's called a is equal to 1. So I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process to make sure you get these questions correct every single time. Let's go. Let's take a look at what a quadratic is. So generally they have the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So you have an x squared term, a linear term, which is just x on its own, and then a constant. In this video, we're going to look at how to factorize quadratics where a is equal to 1. And these are considered the sort of easier version. The method for doing this is actually, it's very straightforward. And I'm just going to write down the rule for carrying out a factorization. So what I've got beneath me is 3 different examples there, and I'll use this one to explain the rule. So let's write it here, and the rule is this. Very, very simple. We look at the multiples of the last number which add together to make the middle number. So let's go ahead and do that for the first one. Multiples of 6 will be 1 times 6 and 2 times 3, and that's it. So we can clearly see that the multiples we need to make 5 will be the 2 and the 3, because 2 plus 3 make 5. So let's go and lay that out. So x and x always goes there. And the signs, when they're both plus, then they also appear as both plus in each bracket. And then you put 2 there, or 3 there. Or you could have put 3 and then 2. It doesn't matter. So just a quick check to see if this has worked is 6. And you can see this bit here, 3x plus 2x makes the 5x. Now let's take a look at the next one. So we can see that in this case we don't have 2 positive signs, we actually have a minus, plus. So first of all, let's work out the multiples of 20. So we have, you can see that the numbers we need to create 9 are going to be this option here. Okay, so it's going to be the 4 and the 5. So we know 4 and 5 coming together makes 9. So let's lay out the brackets. Right, so it's negative 9. So what are our choices? To make negative 9, we've got to have negative 4 and negative 5. And also, this is a plus. So one of the rules of algebra is, if I just write it on the side here, a minus times a minus is equal to a plus. And then the other rule is a plus times a minus is equal to a minus. So if we're trying to create a plus number, which we are in this case, we have to ensure both of the numbers multiplying together have a minus sign. And we need to make minus 9. So the way to make minus 9 would be negative 4 times negative 5. X times x is x squared. Then x times minus 5 is minus 5x. Then minus 4 times x is minus 4x. And then minus 4 times minus 5 makes plus 20, positive 20. Final one. So same drill, multiples of the last number. The multiples we need are the 3 and the 7, because either when added or taken away, in this case taken away, so the difference between them is going to make 4. And we need to make minus 4. So the way to create minus 4 would be to have, rather than minus 3 plus 7, which would give us positive 4, which would be incorrect. So let's put that in. So x minus 7, x positive 3. And then a quick check, and we can see that 3x minus 7x is going to give minus 4x. I hope this video was helpful. In the next one, I'm going to go through how to factorize quadratics where a is greater than 1. So for example, that you can see a is obviously greater than 1. In this case, it's 4. And for these types of quadratic, it's slightly more complicated. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.